Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone if it can't send messages to an Android device. So if you have friends or family that you're trying to send a text message to and they're not receiving it, I'm going to show you what the problem could be. So first, let's head over to the iPhone settings here on the home screen. Now on the main iPhone settings, let's scroll all the way down until we get to the Messages app, and let's tap into that. Now in the Messages section, you'll see a lot of different options, but the first one we're going to do is this iMessage section here. We're going to tap it off and then leave it a few moments and then tap it back on. You'll see underneath, waiting for activation. This could take a few moments or a few minutes, depending on how fast your phone is currently working. This should iron out any problems that iMessages are having, and this should reset the iMessage system. Now once that's all done, you're going to scroll down, and this is the key part, what you need to turn on. You'll see this send as SMS here. You want to tab this on. So what you need to remember, SMS is what every other carrier uses, and the iPhone actually uses iMessage. So if the person has got an Android, they will not have iMessage. So that could be a main reason why they're not receiving your text messages. So you need this to be turned on. And the last thing you could try is actually resetting your iPhone. So powering it off and then powering it back on. And this should solve all the problems of your iPhone not sending text messages to Android devices. I hope this helps you out. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.